Hey, if you're looking for a budget gaming mouse under 1000 rupees, here's the video for you, okay? Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rowan and you are watching Alex11, okay? I'm using an Esports GM320 mouse since 3-4 months ago, okay? Let me tell you what are the pros and what are the cons of this mouse, okay? So this mouse contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 buttons, one scroll bar. Okay, let me tell you what the 8 buttons do in this mouse. First one is a right click, second one is a left click, and this button is a DPI, and this button is a RGB control button, and this button is a forward, and this button is a backward. This is a special button. Okay, there are total 6 DPI in this mouse, from 1200 to 1,28,000. Okay, from 1200 and 2400, 3,200, 4,800, and 1,28,000. Okay. If you are not a professional esports gamer, you can consider this mouse. Okay, usually this is the best mouse you can get. This mouse come with a 1.5 meter braided cables. Okay, the build quality of this mouse is so amazing and hard, and the battery cable is so nice. Since I'm using this mouse since 4-5 months, this is the perfect mouse that I got at the price of 500 rupees. Okay, with the help of GM320 app. Okay, but let me tell you where to download this app. With the help of scanning this, you can install the software on your device or your PC or your laptop. Okay, then you can change your DPI and polling rates and colors and RGB. Okay, and make sure to like my YouTube video, and thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Okay, and see you in the next video, and watch my previous video, and go to my channel and you can see gadgets review and tech reviews. Okay, and till then, bye.